Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today we will discuss about AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate, Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam is designed for system administrators in a cloud operations role. For this they must have knowledge and experience of at least 1 year in deployment, management, networking, and security on AWS. However, the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam validates an examinee's ability in 1. Maintaining AWS workloads, as per the AWS well-architected framework. 2. Executing operations using the AWS Management Console, and the AWS CLI. And, implementing security controls for meeting compliance requirements. 3. Monitoring, log, and troubleshooting systems. 4. Applying networking concepts and implementing architectural requirements, like high availability, performance, capacity. 5. Performing business continuity and disaster recovery procedures, as well as identifying and classifying incidents. Recommended AWS knowledge. 1. A minimum of 1 year of hands-on experience, with AWS technology and experience in deploying, managing, and operating workloads on AWS. 2. Knowledge and understanding of the AWS well-architected framework. 3. Hands-on experience of performing operations, with the AWS Management Console and the AWS CLI. 4. Knowledge of AWS networking, and security services. 5. Hands-on experience in implementing security controls, and compliance requirements. Exam details. The AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam is available at a discounted price of $75. For completing the exam, there will be a time duration of 220 minutes. Passing the exam will provide AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate certification to candidates, with all the associated benefits. Lastly, the exam can be taken only in the English language. Talking about the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate questions, the exam can have 3 types of questions. This includes: first, multiple choice, that is there will be 1 correct response and 3 incorrect responses. Second, multiple responses, that is there can be 2 correct responses out of 5 options. Third, exam lab, that is there is a scenario that has a set of tasks to be performed in the AWS Management Console, or AWS CLI. For the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam, the appointments are limited, so candidates have to register early to participate. However, the updated exam will be generally available in the 3rd quarter of 2021. Further, the registration for the new AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam is live, and can be taken from 16th February 2021 to 26th of March 2021. Signing up for AWS exam. AWS certification helps individuals to develop skills and knowledge by validating cloud expertise with industry-recognized certification. Signing up for the AWS will help organizations candidates to: first, schedule and manage exams. Second, view certification history. Third, access to digital badges. Fourth, take exam sample tests. Fifth, view your benefits of certifications. Course outline. Domain 1, monitoring, logging, and remediation. Domain 2, reliability and business continuity. Domain 3, deployment, provisioning, and automation. Domain 4, security and compliance. Domain 5, networking and content delivery. Domain 6, cost and performance optimization. AWS states that candidates who will not be able to pass the exam must have to wait for 14 days before they are eligible to retake the exam. Further, there is no limit on exam attempts until the exam is passed. But, for every exam attempt, the full registration price must be paid. For rescheduling or canceling an exam, follow the steps. Firstly, sign into AWS.Training, certification. Then, select the Go to Your Account button. Thirdly, select Manage PSI or Pearson VUE Exams button. After that, you will be redirected to the PSI or Pearson VUE dashboard. Next, if the exam is scheduled with PSI, then, click on View Details for the exam that is scheduled. Else, if the exam is scheduled with Pearson VUE, then, select the exam in the Upcoming Appointments menu. Further, you should know that the exam can be rescheduled up to 24 hours before the scheduled exam time. And, each exam appointment can only be rescheduled twice. For taking the exam a third time, candidates are required to cancel the exam and then schedule it for a convenient date. Get familiar with the exam objectives. For getting a better understanding of the concepts, it is important to use exam objectives. AWS provides a list of topics covering exam domains for the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam. 2. AWS Exam Guide. AWS provides an exam guide containing the exam course outline, overview, and other important details about the certification. These outlines are written by AWS experts that help in demonstrating networking skills, and guiding through hands-on exercises based on situations as per the exam. 3. AWS Training. For developing technical skills for the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam, AWS recommended courses that include AWS Technical Essentials and Systems Operations on AWS. 4. AWS Exam Readiness. Exam readiness training helps to understand the process of explaining exam questions and allocating study time. 5. Evaluate yourself using the practice tests. Taking a practice test works as a self-assessment for identifying the knowledge and skills gaps. Moreover, AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam practice tests will help in having the best possible revision, and to understand the pattern of the questions so that you don't face any problem during the exam. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.